Alright, so you finished all your sketches, everything's dimensioned, you're ready to start modeling parts in Inventor for a new project. You do need to take one step before you just start jumping in and modeling parts, and that is create a new project file. Now if you recall, we created one of these for your puzzle cube, and maybe you created one for your holiday project. Alright, and to create a new project file, you need to go to Projects in the upper left hand corner, and this dialog box will appear, and you'll probably see a couple listings of different projects here. Maybe your puzzle cube is still selected, maybe holiday project is selected, or maybe just a default is selected like I have here. But we need to create a new one. So you want to go to New, and you want a single user. Select Next. Here we need to name that file. Alright, so don't just leave it as project name. Name it something specific, like maybe reverse engineering, the name of the item you're reverse engineering, something that you can easily identify. Alright, once you name the file, you also have to locate where we're going to save that file. Alright, so you want to click these three little dots here, and you should be saving this on your Z drive just like everything else. So we need to go to your computer, find your Z drive, and hopefully you also have an IED folder created on your Z drive. And maybe some of you have an Inventor folder on there. You could save it in your Inventor folder, or maybe just in your IED folder is fine as well. But you want to create a new folder and name it the same thing you named your project file. So mine was reverse engineering. There I can hit OK. And now you should see the location of your project file right here. So mine's in my Z drive, in my IED folder, and then in the reverse engineering folder. From there I can hit Finish, and you should see the reverse engineering project file selected here. It should have a check mark next to it, meaning that it's active. From there you can hit Done, and now when you go to New to create a new part, you should see your project file down here, your reverse engineering or whatever you may have named it. Alright, so every time you create a new part, new IDW, assembly, whatever it may be, you want to make sure the project file that you're working in is down here. Alright, so if I want to create a new part, just hit Create, and I can get started.